bet nekuli madekanire mbere ya githurano kinene na kana gucungi muhera mbere ya kigeranio kinene na kiria gitanyitwo gukorwo gitafanio muthia wa moko uyu na kuria marutite mukana wa kuga ati kwaga kunyita itemi na makiria uhoro-ini wigie kumakwo gwa kigeranio giki. Mwandiki munene wa Kuppet Mr Edward Obwocha ni acakaeti akiuga ati motungata maria arimu maheagwo hindi iria maka kigeranio giki moru na ningi mishare ukiri ugu nimugite ati kuri na ngirimiti iria madekanire na thirikari na njira imwe ya kihoto thirikari itigirira ati ni akuri gikinyaniria ngirimiti ici mbere ya kwa igeranio ici.
Kenya National Exam Council is becoming a problem. Teachers are suffering with that organization. I've been an advocate. Kenya National, as I speak, I was an examiner marking Kiswahili paper 2. I chest because I wanted to bring a rebellion within the I was in upper Bunyore girls. I was chest. We were just all 6 of us. Homa Bay and Migori. I want to say Kuppet power. Thank you very much. First,
maybe I should say those branches which are here, I know the chairman will be doing it, but now that I've been given, let me say those branches which are here. And next is the issue of examination, knec. Year in, year out, we talk of examiners, the terms of examiners being underpaid, as rates of payment per script, staying conditions very poor, delayed payments of examiners, monies. I'm requesting, we have been going around teachers that unless we agree, it will never be considered.
Issue that we've always yearned for here, then next year we will be earning our salaries here.